Updating your legal name with First Citizens Bank shares is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit the bank or call customer service. Go to your local First Citizens Bank branch or call their customer service. It's important to inform them that you need to update your legal name. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Request a name change form from the bank representative or download it from the bank's website. Fill out the form with your new legal name and any other required information. Step 4. Submit your documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the update. Ask for confirmation that your name has been updated in the bank's system. You may want to request a new account card or checkbook reflecting your new name. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated with First Citizens Bank shares. Make sure to check back in a few days to confirm that everything is processed correctly.